How to use ChatGPT, a beginner's guide. As we all know, ChatGPT is an AI-powered natural language processing tool that can help us communicate with the chatbot in a variety of ways that are human-like. The language model may help you with things like writing, emails, essays, and code, as well as provide answers to your inquiries. It is used to assess incoming text prompts and produce responses based on patterns in the data that it has been trained on. ChatGPT also uses deep learning methods. It can comprehend subtle language differences and deliver responses of the highest caliber because it has been trained on a huge collection of literature, including books, papers, and websites. If you try to open and make an account on chat.openai.com, we can see ChatGPT's capabilities and its limitations. It can remember what is said during the conversation, it allows for follow-up corrections, and it can decline inappropriate requests. As for its limitation, it can sometimes generate incorrect information depending on how well you type in your prompt. It may have biased content or limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. Just keep this all in mind when you use ChatGPT. Now, here are some examples of what you can do using ChatGPT. Here, as a very simple example, I tried asking it to write a story about an apple. ChatGPT used its own knowledge to make an original story. You can also ask ChatGPT to make a summary for your educational purposes. As I said earlier, ChatGPT uses its own knowledge and not just any article from the internet. You can even ask ChatGPT to make a code for you. You can simply copy the code here on the upper right corner. You can even use ChatGPT as a pretty accurate translator. Now, here I tried asking ChatGPT itself on how it is frequently used by people. Here it says the 10 common uses of ChatGPT. First, it is used as conversational AI. It is used as a personal assistant, content generation, for language translation, for customer support, and for writing and editing support, for educational tool, as game NPCs, research and information retrieval, and creative writing. It even explained its uses in detail. But remember, to get accurate results from ChatGPT, you should also use accurate prompts. Now, if you are not sure how to do that, here we have a site for prompts. Just search promptbase.com, and here there are a lot prompts you can choose from to produce better results. It is a prompt marketplace where you can find and sell a prompt. Now let's go ahead and browse the marketplace. In the left side of your screen, you can actually put some filters to make it easier to search for a prompt. You can sort it by the top or the newest, by the model, categories, or you can simply search in the search bar. Though you have to pay for this collection of prompts, but it is worth it. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.